Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Artistic Adventures by Rosie. In today's tutorial, we are going to learn how to draw ribbon like hair which can add a beautiful and dynamic look to your characters. Let's get started. First, let's go over the tools you will need. Grab your favorite pencils, an eraser and some paper. You can also use a digital drawing tablet if you prefer digital art. Start by sketching the basic shape of the hair. Think of it as a series of flowing ribbons. Draw a few wavy lines to outline the general direction and flow of the hair. Don't worry about making it perfect. This is just a foundation. Next, let's add some volume to the hair. Draw more lines parallel to your initial outlines. Keeping the ribbon-like flow in mind, vary the thickness of these lines to create a sense of depth and movement. Now we will add some details to make the hair look more realistic. Break down the larger ribbons into smaller strands. Pay attention to how the hair overlaps and interact with itself, adding curves and twists to enhance the ribbon effect. To give the hair more dimension, let's add highlights and shadows. Identify the light source in your drawing and use lighter strokes to create highlights on the parts of the hair that catch the light. For shadows, use darker strokes or shading techniques to add depth to the areas that are less exposed to light. Once you are happy with the overall shape and flow, refine your drawing by erasing any unnecessary lines and sharpening the detail. This is where you can really bring out the texture and shine of the hair, and there you have it, a beautiful ribbon like hair. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon. Stay tuned. Thanks for watching and happy drawing.